Gulf Coast Futura.
Can I get remote control?
Yes, remotes can be added to these.
Okay.
Remotes would cost.
And keep in mind that these fans are powerful.
Thank you for that question. Next question, please. That one is 10.
And does that come in all weight?
Yes, right here.
Oh.
Yeah, those are some of the upcharged blades.
So all of these blades you said were complementary.
All those over there are, yes.
But these are the fancy ones.
These are, like, that's an actual wood blade, the same as,
Medium.
the same as those over there.
Medium on these are really fast.
Well, it's controlled with remote by the fan. Oh, so you don't need to worry about that.
Okay, cool. With the Dixie belt.
And Futuras are very powerful, so
So you have your regular LED, your soft
high speed.
warm light, and then your daylights. It just comes that way.
And high speed is really fast. We're moving around over 7,000 cubic feet per minute, which is a lot of air movement.
So one of those.
And this just shows you how insane these are. Definitely very powerful. Very, very, very powerful. Would love to have one of these in the future, no doubt.
Futura.
So yeah, that's it with this one.